Good evening, everyone. It is time we're gonna have English debate sessions. Uh, I'm right here as a propositions group would like to deliver about the topic or the motions. Motion that we're gonna pick up this time is about AI tools like ChatGPT do more harm than good in English language learning. Why it's relevant for us? Because the first point, AI tools are rapidly transforming how students write, analyze text, and learn languages. And then the second point, we have English teachers must weigh the benefits, personalized feedback, accessibility against the risks plagiarism, reduce critical thinking. Absolutely, in here I am as a proposition group, I would say definitely agree with that statement because in this era or modern era, AI like ChatGPT giving more harm than good without we realize. We can uh, be someone who is always depends on technology like artificial intelligence that we're talking about now. And AI turns the students into a lazy persons because without we realize by using all the time, it's like uh, we are not gonna do more effort. This issue is really crucial. Then after that, it transforms significantly. The teachers being offered depends on AI corrections as well. Uh, from both of the reasons why it's relevant, AI use can lack of real human interactions. If students use AI to generate essays or answers without doing any effort, they may not be someone who will be developed. Definitely true, because why? They will always rely on the technology, and they may not probably being someone not creative. Yeah, they cannot make something more creative, or they cannot create something different. So it's pretty clear that they may not develop to be someone's better, especially to have a progress in language use. So final verdict, we have AI tools ChatGPT are powerful aids in English learning, but their effectiveness depends on how they are used. So it depends on the personality on use of that AI. And then teachers must weigh the benefits against the risks, ensuring that AI enhances rather than hinders genuine language acquisitions. By striking the right balance, educators can harness AI's potentials while safeguarding the intelligence. Alright, everyone, I think enough. That's all our arguments and opinion regarding motions that we mentioned before, that AI tools like ChatGPT do more harm than good in English language learning. We are from propositions group totally agree about that. But actually, it depends on someone's personality, how they use this artificial intelligence, as well as their mindset and how the way they think wisely. And final word, I will say thank you